Alright, what's up? I'm Ayan, and today we are talking about HWiNFO, also known as HWiNFO. This is the website. I will provide the link in the description so you can download it for yourself. So, this is a tool that is the professional system information and diagnostics. It can be used for hardware analysis for Windows and other operating systems as well. And this is used by NASA. That's quite interesting. Intel, AMD, Dell, Gigabyte, and Asus, all those big giant tech companies. This is used to provide information about computer systems and also report any failures or any issues that you might have. So it has many features like in-depth hardware information, real-time system monitoring, extensive reporting, trusted and reliable. That's good news. Clean and secure, and also it is frequently updated. So this app has been used by many of the YouTubers like myself as well. So let's talk about it and see how this is used. First of all, going to the website and hit the free download version. This is an open source and free software, so you do not have to pay for anything. You can use it for yourself. I always use the portable version because I don't have to install it. The installer is also available, so we're gonna go ahead free download and hit the local install. Now all we need to do is wait for the app to be downloaded, and it is so little it downloaded instantly. Now let's open it in the folder. Here we are going to use 7-zip to extract the hardware information tool. Here we go. Now depends on your software, you can use the 32-bit version or even the 64-bit version. I have a 64-bit, so I will be using the 64 version. So you can change stuff even before opening. You can see there are some settings that are quite interesting, and it also is very in depth, so everything that you need to know you can find it right from this settings and whole tool. Well, it has lots of section, and here we have some safety features. There are other features that you might need for understanding your system correctly, driver management and license management as well. But I am using for personal use, that is why I'm gonna use it as it is, not going to change anything else, just to show you guys how this is used. Okay, there is also an update available. You can also update it, but I'm gonna use it this version because I do not want those beta updates. So you can also save the report of your system. That's nice to know. So this is the information about my laptop. I have an Intel Core i5 3 to 10M, 22 nanometer, 35 watt TDP, and lots of other information that you can find right here. We got some cores and some features that are not available, and some are available, but I actually turned them off. Yeah, this is supported, but I turned it off. Okay, so anything else that we need to know about? Okay, so the gray versions are those features that are not supported by my system. The green ones are supported and active, while the red one are supported but not active. This is how you can understand this. There is plenty of information. This is the information about my motherboard. I have a Lenovo laptop, that is why this is the motherboard by Lenovo. This is everything that you need to know about it. Some information about RAMs and SSDs installed with it, type and other things which I don't really understand. So this is information about my graphics card, the GPU, dedicated GPU installed. Okay, I actually have two GPUs. The first one was about integrated, and this one is the dedicated NVIDIA's GeForce 610M graphics card. Okay, and every information that you need to know about it. Okay, these features are available. This is about my drives that I've installed on my system. You can also save this report and send it to someone else who might understand what's going on with your system. Okay, let's see what else do we have here. So this is like a device manager setup. This is the about section. We can get summary of the whole system, and we can save this report and send it to other people, or you can save it for later. You can also actively monitor and also use sensors as well. I want to know how do I manage to find the what's it called, how to manage the temperature of my CPU cores. Yep, that's the thing I'm actually looking for. So this is the information about my, yep, if I click on sensors, yep, that's the one. The sensors give you the information about your system and active information real time. Here you can see some of my cores, how much energy are they consuming, and the speed of them, and the clock speed as well. What is this? This is the max CPU usage and things like that. And here we have the main stuff that I really wanna use, HWiNFO for the temperature, core temperatures. So in the sensors section you can find those core temperatures and know how much heat is it causing. If it is overheating, you can change your system's thermal paste or provide active new cooling system. But if it is overheating, if it is not overheating, you can also keep an eye on your CPU and GPU cores for to use how much speed they are operating at and how much temperature they can sustain and go max temperatures as well. Yep, I can't find words. So this is the temperatures, speed, memory and other information. Nope, there are no drive failures as well. This is the health of your system. You can also determine the health. If your drives are not working properly, you can see if those are not bad or if they are healthy enough to be working actively. You can replace them before they go bad, that's all, and without losing your data. This tool is quite interesting and you can use it for various stuffs. I don't think there is any information that's left. Yeah, I can find other stuff as well, like networking. That's nice. I did not know it could do that. Okay, now we can close it. In the memory section you can see what type of memory we have installed on my laptop or your own system. If you install it on yourself, on your own system, your PC or your laptop, okay, you can update it later. Also it gives you the configuration settings as well. Let's open it up and see. Now that's just the theme section. Anyway, that's been it. Thanks for watching. I will catch you in the next one. Take care. Goodbye.